Alright, hello once again, Jeff Scott of Rankin Technical College. And as part of the Rankin Technical College AWD 1000 Web Development Technologies course, I've been creating a series of video presentations that are based on the Mozilla Developer Network Learn Web Development series. I'm in the last part of this series, which is on server-side programming, and we're talking Express and Node.js with JavaScript. And I'm going through the tutorial, the local library tutorial that they have, but I've got an error, as you can see on the screen right here. And it's telling me that the error is in here on my app.js file. If you remember, before it went from 9 or from 10 to 9, and now it's back to 10, and that's just because that's the line number. And when it was 9, I had the comment on the same line, but when I moved the comment, it went down to 10. It's not liking what I'm putting in here. Now it keeps crashing, as you can see. So I've got two choices. I mean, I've been trying to go through and debug this, but I'm not sure what the problem is. All right, so I am going to go on, even though I'm not going to be able to do a lot of testing right now because I can't bring the doggone thing up. In the middle of this, my machine also went through an update. So let me start up Firefox. I guess it was running. And let me, again, type in Learn Web Development. And I'm going to go back to where I was. Which is right here. And again, I'm in, I believe, Part 5, the displaying library data. This is the first time I've really run into any kind of an issue right here. All right. And that was trying to get the home page up and running. So there's a problem here, and I don't know what it is, but I'm going to go through the rest, so at least you've seen me go through the rest. If I can get a working copy, they claim to have all of the code out there on the system, and I went through their GitHub repository, but I didn't see this, so I'll see if I can find it. So we're on this. I don't think we're there. I think we're here on the home page still. And I did go through, I moved it, removed it, etc. a couple times, but I'm not getting this. And the reason I'm not getting this right now is because I'm getting that error when I try to run the program. So I'm going to return here, and from here I'm going to jump down to the book list page and just continue on. Not the best thing in the world, but it's what I'm going to do. So next we'll implement our book list page. This page needs to display a list of books in the database along with their author, with each book being a hyperlink to the associated book detail page. The book list controller needs to list all of the book objects in the database and then pass these to the template for the. All right, so we need the exported book list controller method, and we need to replace that with this. So let's see if we can start by going there. So we want to find the book controller.js file. All right, and in our book controller.js file, you can see in here, this is where I started to run into my problems. I thought I did this correctly, but there's at least a chance I did not. All right, so let's look. Find the exported book underscore list controller. So I'm wondering if I should be putting back all of this stuff. So that ended up there. And I'm wondering if I need all of this stuff that came after that, which was here. I mean, again, could this be why this is breaking? I don't really know. But let's put that back in. Let's come back to here. Now it says listing on port 3000. All right. Well, that's good. So if we come in here to localhost :3000, there it is. Okay, so we have what we're supposed to have. These are not yet operational. So again, the reason I was getting these errors is when I changed this function right here, I was supposed to keep in all of this other stuff. I did not do so. I'm sure glad that I kept that down here. So I'm going to still keep it in here. I think it's the book list one that now we want to change. So let's look. Find the exported book list controller method and replace it with the following code. So this is book list. This res send we want to replace with this. Well, and it looks like there is some duplication here, so we will get rid of that. Hopefully I did that correctly. We'll find out. This method uses the model's find function to return all book objects, selecting to return only the title and author as we don't need the other fields. Here we also call populate on book, specifying the author field. This will replace the stored book author ID with the full author details. On success, the callback pass to the query renders the book list into the template, passing the title. All right. So create views booklist.pug and copy in the following. So under views, and again, I could touch to do this too, but I'm not going to. book_list.pug. So book_list.pug. Yes, we want to change the extension. There that is. Let's open it and add that. And save. The view extends the layout.pug base templates and overrides the block content right here. The book list is sorted alphabetically with the inline JavaScript array.sort method. It then displays the title that we passed in from the controller and iterates through the book list using an each in L syntax. A list item is created for each book, displaying the book as a link to that book's detail page. Okay. Note, we use the book.url to provide a link. It says we've implemented the route, but not the page yet. All right. Run the application and open the browser here, then select the all book links. Let's refresh and let's select the all book links, and there we go. Now can we go to here? Not implemented yet. That's okay. All right, because we do have our books listed in here. All right. All right, so now we have now gone in and did our book list page. So next will be the book instance list page, and I'll be back with that shortly.